Hi, this is Renee from wkey, powered by Keys to the City, here at Edgewater Animal Shelter with Mimi, our little star of Facebook last week, and Corey, who's one of our canine guys here. And we are sharing some information about Mimi with you. Corey, tell us a little bit about Mimi and how she got to be here at Edgewater Animal Shelter.
So Mimi is about a year old. She is an absolute sweetheart, as you can tell. She loves kisses. She came from Daytona with our animal control officer. She was just found wandering around town. We're not really sure. She didn't have a family before this, as far as we know, but she came in. She was already relatively healthy, and now she's just our resident cuddle bug.
And does she like cats and other dogs?
She does. So with proper introduction, she'd be fantastic with cats, and then we've never had any problem with another dog. She seems to love pretty much everyone, as well as kids.
Does she like treats and cookies and belly rubs?
Oh, she's a huge treat fiend. She is very food motivated. She's very love motivated.
You want a cookie?
Good girl.
She is. So Mimi would love a backyard, and she'd love a family, and I bet she'd be really good on a boat traveling up the intercoastal. I think she'd make a good captain on somebody's boat and going to look at Disappearing Island and different stuff around the area. If you are interested in adopting Mimi and other dogs that we're going to be featuring on WKEY, you can go to edgewateranimalshelter.org and fill out an adoption application. Normally it takes about 3 to 4 days for an application to go through and be processed, and you'll get an email back. Mimi is 100% pure, lovey-dovey, as you can see, and she would like to be your lap dog. So if you'd like to
Mimi.
you'd like to meet Mimi and get your face licked to death, come see us at Edgewater Animal Shelter. Thanks for letting us come into your living room. Take care.